Hi guys, we're going to Vietnam. Hi everyone, good morning. We're now in Sapa, Vietnam. We arrived here around 6 a.m. Nag-limousine bus kami is going here in Sapa para hindi sayang yung oras. Right now, we're just having breakfast here sa Trekking Sapa. They have a breakfast buffet for 180,000 BND per person. And I'll let you guys know kung ano yung mga kainin natin later. Some buns and vegetables, pho, orange juice, my parents at ang dilim. Hi guys. Naghagdan lang, naghubad na. Oh. Kami naligaw from Sun Plaza going to Sapa Stone Church. Mali kami ng pasok. So from Viet Trekking, we just walked to Explorers to the Sun Plaza station. Then, naligaw kami konti. We headed to the Stone Church, konti sa Sapa Lake. Pero since medyo makulimlim and umuulan, we decided to first have coffee here in Kong Cafe. We have our drinks, salted and coconut milk with cocoa. What are you doing?
Nagtitingin.
Ng photo.
Mag-upload ako sa sa my day.
Kasi to, nagsa-sightseeing at ang problema sa buhay. Kaya pa ba, ma'am? Come on! Just arrived here in Sailing Sapa and look at our view. Shit, sobrang ganda. Welcome to Sailing Sapa. We're here to have lunch while waiting for our check-in. Amaze na amaze. Nasaan kayo? Sa Mindoro kayo, te. So, from Sapa City Center, we took a Grab and paid around 200,000 Vietnamese dong to go here sa Sailing Sapa. Let's see mamaya if makabook kami agad na Grab pa uwi. Nag-decide kami dito magpatila and magpatay ng oras habang nag-wait for our check-in since our check-in is still at 2 p.m. and currently it's 10:34 a.m. So dito kami magla-lunch and mag-vibe. I love the view. Sobrang quiet, sobrang peaceful. Parang hindi ako na-overstimulate. Lunch is served.
Yan lang ang plato natin.
Parang siyang yung sa Korea na tikim-tikim. Sticky, para siguro siyang dessert.
Malagkit na ibang kulay.
Ah.
Rice nga.
What's your rating?
Sticky rice.
Walang rating. Hi guys, good morning. Ako'y nakapantulog na, but don't worry, it's not the next day. It's currently 5 p.m. here local Sapa time, and after we went doon sa sailing Sapa, pumunta kami pauwi na here sa aming hotel and decided to do an early check-in since gising kami since kayo na madaling araw. We took a red-eye flight. We decided na pagbalik namin dito is that we're going to rest first, have some sleep, and that's exactly what we did. So here is our humble abode. Meron tayong queen size bed, sorry yung gulo, and a balcony, which if you open is a mountain view balcony. Fit check. Some boots. Hi guys! Nagkaroon kami ng Grab driver and he recommended Nahang Viet Deli. So it's a reasonably priced down na Vietnamese restaurant. So we're here right now and siya na rin yung kinontrata namin for our day 3. We have the soup, then yung ating mga meat. Some chicken, shrimp, pork, and beef. Spring roll taste test. Oh, good. What can you say?
Piris, sarap.
They also gave us ang dugyot, free tea. And what's your verdict sa tea?
Yes, very good.
Delicious. We're in Sapa Lake at night.
Oh.
Hi everyone, good morning. It's now our day 2 here in Sapa and we are having breakfast at our hotel. So yeah, we're having breakfast here. And can I just say na super ganda and clear and sunny today. So hopefully since akit kami sa fansipan, mayroon kaming makita na view. Sana may clearing for today. Also, it's mom's birthday today, so medyo jam-packed yung schedule. We're gonna go to fansipan, then have a massage, then dinner. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Breakfast is served. Yeah. Thank you so much. Romantic. Smile. Hi everyone! Sorry hindi nakapag-update a while ago. Pero right now, nandito na kami for lunch sa White Cloud Coffee and Restaurant. Hindi namin in-expect na sobrang haba ng pila paakyat sa Fansipan Summit. And sadly, nung pumunta kami doon, wala din namang clearing. So, medyo sad for that one. But I'm so proud kasi nakayanan niyang umakyat ng bundok with all the stairs. Currently, it's 1:26 p.m. Going to head to our massage place at Tonkin Spa para magkaroon ng relaxation before we head to dinner. Have here some cappuccino, egg coffee, and coconut coffee. Some spring rolls. We're now here at the Tonkin Spa. Look at the view. Overlooking the mountains. So, we availed yung 60-minute na smooth as silk massage nila. Then, since birthday ni Mama, both of them will have the red dove bath. So, parang medyo healing bath siya. So, ganun yung eme nila later on. Hi everyone! We're now here sa chic restaurant to celebrate yung birthday ni Mama. Time check, it's 7 p.m. and we got the Asian set menu to try. And let's see, ang ating guest of honors for today, ang ating mga magbabayad ng bill natin. One whole then. Lasa siyang liver. Bopis actually. Taste test. Salad. Malamang salad. Anong lasa? Sarap. With steamed rice. Our mains have arrived. We have some chicken, some pork, another appetizer, soup, then I think this is a fish, braised fish, and our nabubusog na guests. We're already done with the main course. We are served the dessert, and coincidentally, our dessert is called Imperial Beauty Soup. Parang meant to be.
Salamat sa food.
Hi everyone, good morning. It's already day 3 here in Sapa. We're checking out of our hotel para pumunta sa new hotel later. Forgive me if medyo ngongo. May sugat yung dila ko, sobrang wrong timing, kaya hirap ako magsalita. So I won't give that much updates throughout the day. I'll just show you kung anong gagawin namin. But anyways, what we're going to do is to go to Katkat Village, then maybe Okuiho Pass. We will up to wag na lang pumunta sa Moana Sapa just because we don't think it's worth it. But yeah, technically, that's our day 3. Then tomorrow, we're going to leave na for Hanoi. Bye! you.